In this video, we are going to complete this lab. So click on this, getting started with Google Cloud Shell and G Cloud. Okay, so just start the lab. Open in Incognito tab. In this lab, we are using Cloud Shell. So if someone have some experience with the Linux, so he can understand this lab very easily because all the Linux commands are used in the Cloud Shell. So first of all, we are using this command to authenticate that we are using the right credential ID and project ID, because many times it is happening that when we are not using incognito tab, there is some overlapping between your account and your temporary credentials. So it is a good practice that you can verify your account and email ID, or at least. I just remembered all these commands, so I can here type, but you can also copy from guide also. So here is I am using same email ID which is given in the guide, and also the same project ID which is given. So let's move further. So all these things I am just done. So first task is configure our zone and region. So I'm copying this and paste here. So here is see, you can see that there is onset, because it's mean that we don't have default zone and region is already set. So we have to set all this. Okay. So here this is the command to describe info about your project ID. What are the things you done? So what is the configuration your project ID has? So here I'm copying this, and here is instructed that replacing this by your project ID. Okay? So I'm just replacing that. So here. So you can see properly. Here is info about all these things, all things about your project ID. Then set the variables. Uh, this is the project ID variable where we are assigning our project ID to this variable. Okay. So here is also you have to replace your project ID with the given lab instructions. This is the project ID. Okay. Your project ID is successfully assigned to the variable. Also, we export one zone name. So in the lab instructions, there is lots of zones given, but I am using US Central 1C. Okay, this is. You can use any one of them, but I am using this. Okay, so I'm just yes. So verify that you have correctly configure your project ID and zone. Run this command. Okay. So echo command will give your project ID and zone, which is you selected. Okay. Then in the last lab, we have seen that we have created one virtual machine with the help of gcloud. This is the same command we are using so that we can create our virtual machine within a second. Because when we want to create a virtual machine with the help of Google Cloud Console, there is everything we fill one by one, so it takes some time. But in the Cloud Shell, you have just one command where you can create GC lab 2, machine type is N1 standard 2, and the zone, all these things we filled. Okay. After creating this is the output, and we have successfully created our virtual machine. We can see that our virtual machine is created in the Google Cloud Console. We have to go to the compute engine and VM instance, and we can see that here is one VM virtual machine created, and that is GC Lab 2. Okay. So let's check our progress that we have completed or not. Okay, this is the -help command, so that you can understand what are the commands under compute instance. That is create command, delete, or lots of commands are there. So you can explore one by one so that understand easily. Okay, let's move further. This is also the tab which is helpful for exploring gcloud command. That what are the things you can done with the help of gcloud command. So I'm just skipping this because I have to complete all the tasks. Here is also gcloud config list, so you can explore all the things. And here you can see that I have 100 marks already. Okay, so I have created, I have done all these instructions given in the lab. So as we done in the last lab, that we SSH our compute instance and install Nginx server in that compute instance. Okay, so same as you can install Google Cloud SDK in your compute instance and do some interactive tasks, SSH your gcloud, all these things. This is all you have to done and explore. Okay, I'm just ending this lab. Okay, thank you. हाँ हाँ